Are you looking for the best castor oils in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best castor oils that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Kateblanc Cosmetics 100% Pure, Cold-Pressed Castor Oil, 2 ounces. This organically grown and cold-pressed castor oil is USDA certified to show you that it is quality and very safe to use. It is guaranteed to be authentic, hexane-free, pure, and natural. That explains why the manufacturer is so confident in it that they have backed it by a 100% full refund guarantee. Because it is harmless, this castor oil can be applied directly on the lashes to help promote growth. When applying to the lashes, use a tiny amount, less than a drop, before going to bed. The castor oil is effective, and some people have admitted to seeing results in as little as 1 to a couple of weeks. It comes with a 365-day warranty to show you that the manufacturer stands behind it. At number 4, Sky Organics 16 ounces castor oil for dry skin, hair growth. Sky Organics ensure that their products are of first-grade quality by sourcing them at their origin. Well, one product that Sky Organics has produced and is doing so well in the market is the Sky Organics 16 ounces castor oil for dry skin, hair growth. Sky Organics have packed this castor oil with vitamins and fatty acids, so it can help promote healthy hair growth, let alone nourishing and hydrating the skin. Ideally, Sky Organics has made sure that this castor oil is 100% natural. And they have achieved that by sourcing it directly from organic artisanal farmers in India. This means the castor oil does not contain any chemical substances. It is great for all skin and hair types. At number 3, Namskara 100% Organic Castor Oil. Castor oil has many uses, and the Namskara 100% Organic Castor Oil is no exception. Its castor beans have been cold-pressed to release castor oil that is rich in essential fatty acids, minerals, and nutrients. Because of these constituents, the castor oil has the highest quality standards that enable it to make hair thick, strong, and long. This castor oil can also be used as a premium hair growth treatment to prevent hair loss and help hair regrow. Also, this product can be applied on the skin to make it gorgeous and glowing. It is the #1 natural beauty solution. That's why it does not have such harmful substances as phthalate, sulfate, paraben, hexane, and gluten. The castor oil is also free of synthetic dyes and GMO ingredients. At number 2, Viva Naturals 16 ounces 100% pure organic castor oil. If you want to look great, then your hair, lashes, and skin must be really good. That's why we introduce you to the Viva Naturals 16 ounces 100% pure organic castor oil. It is a useful organic castor oil that is made to prevent split ends and breakage. It also strengthens as well as repairing damaged hair. Well, to get the best out of it, add it to a conditioner or shampoo to give you that much-needed extra burst of moisture. You can also use it as a soothing serum for roots and ends. Moreover, this castor oil knows that your skin needs moisture in order to retain its elasticity. That is why it doubles as a great skin softening moisturizer for body and face. At number 1, Pure Body Naturals Cold-Pressed Castor Oil for Hair Growth. To make sure this castor oil is one of the best on the market, Pure Body Naturals has manufactured it with proteins, antioxidants, and vitamin E. As such, it is great for healing the skin and even acting as a moisturizer. The castor oil is also ideal for encouraging hair growth for thicker eyelashes and eyebrows. It is 100% pure and has no hexane. Furthermore, it does not contain diluents, pesticides, synthetics, and derivatives. Its scent is neutral, and this makes it great for castor oil enthusiasts who dislike fragrances. This castor oil comes in a 16-ounce bottle, which we believe is just enough to give you the results you want. The bottle features a pump and flip cap to allow for easy dispensing. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.